Hello guys, myself Ravi Shankar. In this video, I am going to explain my project called Speech Emotion Recognition for Customer Behavior Analysis using hybrid model with CNN along with BiLSTM with self-attention. In this video, we are gonna cover parts like the problem statement that I am going to solve and existing pipeline along with the limitations of existing work and my proposed model along with the results that I do get and the deployment. Let's go. Let's start with the introduction and the problem statement. Nowadays, analyzing the customer behavior during the live conversation is too hard and too challenging. So, for an example, if I do work as a telecaller for an insurance company, my roles and responsibilities would be like I need to talk with the customer and explain the policy details along with the price, and I need to explain the benefits that to he get or she, and at the best price. So these are all things that I got to know in the end of the conversation. If I do know that what the customer emotion before, so I can adjust the price and offer more discounts and all. So here the idea comes place, like can we detect the emotion of a customer in a short conversation? Let's see what are the things that we do have in the existing market. This is the existing work that we do have, like taking input as a raw data and doing some minimal feature extraction and basic pre-processing. After that, model training and model evaluation. And we can see the current limitations in the existing work, like they guys were doing limited uh, feature extraction and they were not doing pre-processing, like they're not checking outliers, missing values, like they are not having proper data augmentation and no external validation too. And they were training the models in the only single model, like just CNN or something else, and they are not doing model comparison as well, and there is no real-time application. And by without all doing this, the accuracy would be also less. These are the current limitations that we do have current. And by overcoming this, my proposed model is taking the raw data input and converting into metadata. Like metadata is nothing but creating a label data. After that, individual feature extraction, like seven feature extraction, and I do given my own time for the pre-processing techniques like removing null values and removing the outliers as well. And after removing the outliers and null values, and I created a mega data of combining all seven features and giving the data augmentation into dual channel extraction. After that, I do train with the three models, like one is advanced CNN and advanced BiLSTM, and combination of CNN and BiLSTM model, which is to call as an hybrid. And after that, we do model evaluation and external validation, and finally we deploy the model. Let's see the what the results I do get. Here the three models that I do get, like I do get an average accuracy in advanced CNN, which is 83.76, along with advanced Bayesian is getting less accuracy compared to other two models is 72.43, and the highest and best performer model is CNN with BiLSTM, which I got 87.80. Uh, let's move into the Hugging Faces deployment, and we can see the live demonstration how the model going to perform. We are currently in the Hugging Face interface. Yes, you guys can access also this one, and I will provide this link in the description that you can guys all easily access. Basically, Hugging Face is nothing but is a workspace that we can store our all models, and which is easy to access and easy to deploy as well. You guys are currently seeing a customer speech emotion recognition. Here we can give an input as start from 1 to 10 second is an audio file. Once we have given it will classify whether the audio file is belongs to angry, fear, happy, neutral or sad, depend upon the features that been extracted in the background. We just need to click on over here. It will redirect to the internal PC, and we can choose whatever the audio file which we want to. Here the some of the audio files which I do have in my internal PC. I am just clicking on randomly. Yep, I will click over here. It was an angry label file which I already know it was belongs to the angry classes. I'm just inputting, giving input to the my model. We can hear from here as well. what kind of audio file which we have been given. And once it was successfully uploaded, we just need to click on predict emotion. That's it. It will classify which classes it belongs to. It was predicting as an angry. It was predicted correctly. Why? Because we already know that we give an input as an audio file as an angry. We will try another one as well. I'm just clicking on cancel, and I will click over there, and I will give another one. We'll pick one randomly. Yes, for this time I will give happy emotion. Yes, it was successfully uploaded, and we can hear as well. And I'm clicking on predict emotion. Yes, it was predicting happy as 98% confidence, which means 2% was lagging. Why? Because we can see here the fear has having 2%, which means after extracting the features for this audio file, 98% happy features were matching to this file, and the 2% of the features were matching to the fear. So that's why it was given like that. That's it. The model was predicting correctly. Thank you. Have a great day.